Hi guys, and welcome to my prenatal upper body workout. So today we're going to focus on working the upper body if you are currently pregnant. So before we start, I just want to make sure that you've got space to exercise, you've got water, and you've got plenty of water to keep you hydrated throughout this video. Also, just to make sure that you are nice and fully warmed up, okay? You've done a light warm up just to mobilise them joints. Make sure you are cleared to exercise and that you are feeling well. If at any point you feel dizzy, nauseous, or you need to stop, that's absolutely fine. You can revisit the workout at a later date. So we're going to target the upper body today. This is really just to work on the posture to make you feel a little bit more upright, because as you your bump gets bigger, your balance is going to be a little bit more uneven and your posture is going to start to fall a little bit. So it's really important that you strengthen the upper body, and also it's going to make you feel that little bit better about your body changing. So the first exercise we're going to do is a rear dumbbell fly. So I want you to pick up dumbbells in terms of weight. We say to go light to medium, okay? Not to do anything too strenuous, and certainly not to go too heavy, as throughout pregnancy you want to maintain, okay? You don't want to go any heavier than you should. That can be for after you've had your baby. So we're going to set up. I want you to take your feet at shoulder width apart and knees nice and soft. Now you're going to lean slightly forward, okay? Now, depending on where you are in pregnancy, your bump might pull you forward, okay? And your center of gravity might be a little bit off. So depending on how you're feeling is how forward you're going to come. Make sure your heels are grounded nice and flat on the floor and your posture is nice and tall. So all you're going to do is lean forward. You're going to take the dumbbells, okay, together, and all I want you to do is you're going to open and close. So slight bend in the elbow, and as you bring the dumbbells up, you should feel your shoulder blades slightly squeezing together, okay? Go nice and light on this exercise, but what it's going to do is going to open up all them back muscles, okay, that tend to go to sleep, all right, and do get a lot of strain, okay, once you have given birth. So it's really important that you get these muscles nice and strong. And 3 more, and 2, and 1. So the ideal rep range for this is between 12 and 15 repetitions, and that's just endurance based, nice light reps. Okay, moving on, we're going to target the back of the arms now. So tricep extension. So basically what I want you to do is you're going to take your feet, okay, shoulder width apart again, just popping one dumbbell down on the floor for me, okay, slight lean forward, or you can bring it down to the floor if you feel a little bit better about that, okay, but just make sure you take care getting up and down. So lean slightly forward, okay, you're going to pin your elbow up at the top, okay, and all I want you to do is extend from the arm. So it's really important that you keep your elbow, okay, tucked in, and you can feel the back of your arm contracting, okay? With tricep extension, sometimes we tend to swing a little bit, so it's really important. Nice, slow movement, back and forth. And we're just gonna go for 7 more. So again, 12 to 15 reps. Last 3, 2, 1, and release there. And then change sides for me. So we're gonna go onto the opposite arm. Again, slightly leaning forward, or however you feel most comfortable, bringing it down to the floor if you need to, pinning your elbow up, and then just extending back with the dumbbell. So really keeping that elbow nice and tight towards the body, and you should feel your arm contracting. So you've got about 7 more, big squeeze, and last 4, 3, 2, and relax there. Okay, so you should feel that their muscles now a little bit warmer, okay, and contracting and starting to work. So we're now going to take it into what we call pull aparts. So if you need a little bit of stability, okay, and you want to sit down, stability ball is a great way, okay, to get comfy. So taking the stability ball, and you're going to need a light resistance band. So make yourself comfy on the ball, all right, keeping your feet flat on the floor for me, nice big shoulder roll back and down, keeping your posture nice and tall. With your posture, you'll feel your shoulder blades squeezing together, okay? Then you know you're in the correct position. Taking the resistance band, so it's up to you what resistance you use. Again, don't go crazy with the strength of the band, okay? Light to medium, absolutely fine. So we're going to do some pull aparts, okay, to open up the back once again. So all I want you to do is you're going to take the band in front of you, okay, and you're going to pull the band across your chest. So you're just going to squeeze your shoulder blades, driving your elbows to the back. Big squeeze, chest is up. And again, 15 repetitions is about right. Just feel the pinch at the back. And let's go for 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and relax there. Fantastic. So after you've done them, we're going to take it into another position on the resistance band. So supine hold. So basically you're going to take an underhand grip on the resistance band for me. And again, all you're going to do is pull apart with that band. Now taking them elbows to the back of the room, you'll feel the shoulder blades and all the back contracting. You're also going to feel some of your arms as well, okay? So again, an all-round good exercise for your arms. So just finishing off that set, you're going to go for 15 again. If you feel that is too much, then just take a break and then revisit the repetitions. That's absolutely fine. So finishing off, after you've used your resistance band, we're going to take it into bicep curls, okay? So just make sure that you've got your weights near you. Okay, again, keeping yourself upright. All I want you to do is take the dumbbells underhand grip, okay? And we're going to go for a hammer curl this time. So keeping the dumbbells nice and narrow. So all we're going to do is lift up and down, bicep curl. So you can do these standing up. On the stability ball, it's just going to be a little bit more comfy, especially if you're in the later stages of pregnancy. So we've got 7 more. Big squeeze of the dumbbell to keep that grip, keeping them elbows nice and close. And last 3, 2, 1, and relax there. So give yourself a few shoulder rolls back and a few shoulder rolls forward, okay? And just stretch out that upper body if you need to. Take your shoulders across, okay? Just release that tension. Following the little stretch, okay, and also about a 30-second break, you then go back into the exercises. So I'd suggest doing these exercises 3 times through, 12 to 15 repetitions, and you're really going to feel the benefit. Thanks for watching my video today, guys, and have a great day.